In today's video, we are going to look at the different account types from HFM and you can decide which one suits you the best. Let's get straight to the accounts. So here we have all the trading accounts that HFM has to offer. We have the Cent account, the Zero account, Pro account, Pro Plus account, and the Premium account. So let's go through every account so that you can make the correct decision on which one is going to suit your trading style the best. So here we have the Cent account. The Cent account is a type of trading account that allows you to trade swap-free with cent lots. A cent lot equals 0.01 of a standard lot or 1,000 units. The margin requirements are as low as 10 US cents, making it a beginner-friendly option for traders from transitioning from trading on a demo account to real trading. Cent accounts are an excellent choice for novice traders who want to put their trading skills to the test and learn the dynamic of the real market, or while not investing too much on their trading funds. Experienced traders can also trade on Cent accounts to test new trading instruments and develop their strategies with less capital. Minimum zero deposit, leverage 1 till 2,000, commission 0% and swap free. Here we have the Zero account. The FX revolution starts at zero with no minimum opening deposit and leverage up to 1 till 2,000. The Zero account is an accessible, swap-free, low-cost trading solution that is suitable for all traders. Receive raw, super tight spreads from leading liquidity providers with no hidden markups and commissions, starting from as low as $3 per one lot. Low spreads, leverage 1 till 2,000, no markups and swap free. The Pro account with ultra low spreads, leverage up to 1 till 2,000 and no commissions. The swap free Pro account is developed to suit the needs of a more experienced trader who wants to take their trading to the next level. Low spreads, leverage 1 till 2,000, zero commission and swap free. Pro Plus account with even lower spreads and leverage up to 1 till 2,000. The swap free Pro Plus account is developed to suit the needs of experienced traders who demand the best in terms of trading conditions and perks. Spreads from 0.2, leverage 1 till 2,000, initial deposit is $100 and swap free. And here we have our premium account. The premium account is for all retail traders who are looking for swap free trading with lower spreads, no minimum deposit and no commission. Open a premium account today and access the markets via MT5, MT4, WebTrader, or the HFM app. Minimum deposit $0, leverage 1 till 2,000, commissions 0% and swap free. So we hope this video helps and that you can make the correct decision on which account suits your trading style. If you are a beginner or advanced, HFM offers the best account types that suits your needs. Link is down in the description. Go check out HFM. We'll see you in the next one.